So I'm going to show you how to install the MagazineBlocks limiter into the H&K 417 20 round magazine today. So there's just a little bit of trick of getting this into the spring. So here's your magazine, here's your floor plate or locking plate. You just want to remove this first. Then you've got to get the magazine limiter, just insert it like this, wrap it around. And what you want is this spring goes into the groove, this spring goes over the top, just like that. So that's really it. It just has to lock in there like that. A little bit of a trick to getting it in. Then you go ahead and install the floor plate again. Sorry, the locking plate. So the locking plate's back in place. And you can see how that just sits on there. The limiter or the spring will hold the limiter into place. That's it. Go ahead. So that's it. Now you just want to go ahead and install your floor plate. And 10 round magazine.